How to private Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure you have logged into your account. Now tap on your profile and then tap on the gear icon. Here, as you do that, scroll down and tap on privacy checkup. So as you tap on privacy checkup, first of all tap on who can see what you share. As you do that, tap on continue and then make sure that you toggle on all these options of phone number, your birthday, your who can see your friends list on your profile, and every options to only me as I've already done over here. So just tap on only me. As you do that to every option, tap on next. And here you can tap on default audience to only me or just friends as well over here. That's your wish, but you can keep it on friends. Turn it to friends over here as well. Now you can just go back and there's this option of limit passport. So just tap on limit, and as you tap on limit, all these options will turn to friends. Now tap on next, and here you do not need to view your blocked list, and then tap on next again. Now you can review another topic, and here you can see how people can find you on Facebook. So you can just tap it and you can just toggle on for everyone or friends of friends. I've toggled on for friends of friends. Now go back and then tap on your data settings on Facebook and you can do this process as well. So that's how you private a Facebook account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.